You need to determine, is that the right thing to do, because I might have limited number of courses I could take, or should I graduate, get my bachelor's, and then do alternative certification? And that's what a lot of times people do. But if you are going to deal with CATE certification, Career and Tech certification, and you've checked our website and you see something that you could qualify for, and you fill out the paperwork to have yourself evaluated, you probably will be in a situation of where that is maybe something that you want. It could be a backup. Always remember to keep checking back. Now, if we write a plan for you today, and we tell you so-and-so, so-and-so, if you wait too long before you implement it, and you're using it on as a backup, 2 or 3 years from now, this thing may end, and they may say, well, I'm sorry, that certification is no longer in existence. For example, in the mid-90s, they eliminated something called vocational counselor. It was combined with a counselor certification, but for many years there was a separate counselor certification in the schools in the state of Texas. That's one example. That's gone. And so these people that you may run into have a certification and you can't find that anymore. Well, that may be very true. There are no more certifications in certain areas. So you need to look at that, but be very careful. Also advise you again to go to the career services in the university. You have some assistance there about people coming in and interviewing and this type of things. Even if you're long distance, do not hesitate to email about assistance. We covered a lot of ground here in this presentation. I'm going to conclude this lesson. We covered many areas. I want you to go back to the Occupational Ed website on a regular basis. I want you to look at the information as well. You need to view this lesson and all these lessons in conjunction with the Occupational Ed website, because we put new rules and new information. I'm giving you a framework in these presentations to help you with your degree plan. And we want you to go back to the Occupational Education website. Your instructor is providing what he or she believes is important for you to produce in your portfolio and providing you with the rules. Your instructor supersedes the tapes and supersedes any other verbal instruction. Your instructor supersedes any information about your performance in this course. So be sure that as you now are at the conclusion of this lesson, that you're on target with what your instructor has said on the turn-in date for your portfolio or information or any homework or any assignments or any exams. Be sure that you've kept up with it. And if you're taking an exam from a remote location out of state, be sure you account for any glitches that may take place, electronic or otherwise. Well, thank you again for being in this lecture.